Previously on Daddy's Little Girl.
Oh, you in a good mood today?
I know you're vexed about the other day. You tell us my name and our special day, is it?
Yeah, and then you tell me say you're going to do something for honey.
No, man, it's not surprise.
Stop following me. I don't want to talk to you.
Calm down, no, man.
No, I don't want to be fucking calm.
Yo, me I say, your mother around this half sleep. Calm down, no, man.
I don't give a fuck.
Yo, I want you to talk to something. I want to you.
Stacey, why does your panty look like this?
I don't know, what are you doing?
Why does your panty look like this?
What are you doing? Get out! What are you doing? Dirty underwear!
Because I'm watching your drawers. Why your drawers look so?
What is wrong with you? That's so gross!
You must ask, why does your panty look like this? What? You have sex?
No!
Why your panty look so, Stacey?
No! What are you doing? I don't know!
But are your panty? What is wrong? Something wrong?
I don't know.
Not like that just don't happen. What is wrong? What is on your panty? Like, I don't understand what going on with your panty. Look, girl, me I talk to me, need to listen to me, you know. I'm sick and tired of you give me too much problems, you know. You give me way too much problems.
Well, why do you keep putting the dirty on me?
I don't want to hear that from you. Hello? Alright, I'll be there soon. Alright. This conversation is not over. When I come home, you keep a turn your head when me I talk to you, little girl. It look like so you don't understand so me and your mother. When we come home from work, we need to have a conversation. You hear me? Because this is not right. This... Go clean your one clothes.
Oh, there. Alright?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright.
Fucking forgot to buy cereal. Who is it? Coming! Girl, what are you doing here?
But hey,
Hey, I'm just saying, I didn't know you were coming.
but I texted you. I thought you just forgot to reply as normal.
Well, really, me and my mom got into like a big argument.
What happened now?
I don't know, she's just making up stuff.
When they get old, they're miserable.
Right, just stupid. So I don't know if like I'm allowed to have anyone over right now, but you're my girl, so you know you can stay.
We
Just
got this. We got this.
go to the room, and then if she comes, we'll just, you know,
All
you
right,
know,
look out.
We're
Look
good.
out.
We're good.
What's going on, ladies?
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, baby girl.
Hey,
How you doing?
how are you doing?
We're just doing homework, but I came up with an idea, and I was just thinking that she could spend the night.
Spend the night.
Promise, please, Daddy.
Alright. Alright, one night. You can't stay, that's it.
Okay.
Alright? Alright, I'm gonna be able to step.
Thank you, Daddy. All right.
Your dad is so cool.
He's so sweet.
Yeah, better than your mom.
Oh, way better.
What's up, man?
Not
Not much.
work.
It was good. How was your day?
Good, you know?
How was Stacey?
You know, she alright. She and her friend in her room there, so she has sleep over and things.
What friend I want sleepover?
You see them friend them where always a come?
What do you mean sleepover? Nobody asked me if anybody can sleep over. Stacey
So-
don't need nobody to sleep over.
Well, I mean, if you ask her.
Because Stacey got no manners, she rude, disrespectful, and you just override me all the time.
You still live on that? I talk to her a long time.
Yeah, talk to her, but me that's no difference. All this money me have to grow up her up.
Group her for?
For what? Me I do laundry and I panty dirty day. Me don't know what go on. It look like a yeast infection she have.
Yeast infection. So you don't get them sitting there from, you know, bacteria or all them things.
I look a picnic day, but what you say? I look a picnic. What go on?
Listen, you have some stressful day at work or something?
You think it's just a my problem?
I feel like I stress out here probably. Because they say now not she in a room with her friend. You don't see no nice in the house. Until you reach home, now you make up nice.
Well, chef, we'll go back home because she not sleep over.
I don't tell people them say I'm asleep already, so just calm my nerves, man. What going for dinner? What going where are you?
Dinner?
Yeah, dinner.
If you're hungry,
Yeah,
see
mix
pot,
sandwich.
see rice in the cupboard, see chicken in the fridge. You can't cook yourself something, motherfucker. You're looking yourself something right now.
Pick a whole heap of thing. You tell me say something where you do every night. You don't want to do it now.
You there?
Because you have sleep over.
Yeah, they
What
there
have to do
all
with my
day.
food?
You there all day. Since you want to tell everybody they can sleep, make you not just take out, make us order food in. Order some food in.
Order food?
Yeah, because everybody has sleep over.
Yeah,
Me I pay for what? After me they work all day
you
long
just say
day.
rice in there and thing come put on the pot and make the food.
You know, say, use
She
the
has
next
steer.
story. Use the next story. I'm not going to sit here and go back and forth with you.
Listen.
Come, we're going to go tell her she have to go home because she not
Oh, make you
stay.
not tell her.
Stay.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, honey. Hi. Oh, that's good. Just checking on you guys. Alright.
Mm-hmm. Tell her. Raise up yourself. I'll fix your problem, man.
Who is it?
Jessica.
Who?
Jessica.
Hello to you too.
You need to talk to your daughter.
What do you mean?
She opened the door and you stormed off.
Mister, you see that little girl have a problem, you know? Today, me pick up her clothes, I do the laundry. And appear nasty sitting there on the panty, like me don't know what me look like.
I told you she was having sex. I told you this. Why you act like you don't understand?
Stacy! Stacy, come here.
Yes. Yes, Mom.
You don't need to talk to her like that.
What's up with the attitude? Jessica tell me say she come through the door and you not even greet her, you just open the door and walk off. I saw you do something. I know say you raise. What is your problem, Stacy?
What is your problem?
You
I don't have a problem.
You do have a problem. You need to get her. She is so disrespectful.
Get me for what? I
'Cause
don't
you're
even
so-
understand why you're talking to
Calm
me.
your voice down.
Don't miss you have
Calm
to
down.
be disrespectful, Stacy. This is your elder, she's older than you. And look how you're going. Pure disrespect you give me and her. What is your problem? You don't talk to adults, so you smell yourself? Your iron rusty? What is it? She's an adult, you don't talk to us, and the way you talk to me is disrespectful. You do it in front of people.
You need to send her back to Jamaica. That's what I
She need more than send home.
Is this what you called me out here for?
Yes.
So what
That's
else
what
is
she's
it
calling
call
me
it for?
I don't know.
What?
You need to lose that
What
attitude.
your
You
panty?
really
What
need
was
to
that on
lose
your
that
panty, Stacy?
Listen, Stacey, if you are having sex, you can tell us. We all have done this before. Are you having sex?
No.
What is that I saw on your panty? I need to bring it to the doctor.
It just happened.
Me gonna bring it to the doctor then. If it just happened.
Can I go finish my homework? My friend is in
Let
the
her go.
room.
Let her go finish your homework. We'll talk about this another time. You can go finish your homework.
Go on. Go finish your homework. I don't even know if she's having sex. I don't know if she's using a condom. I don't know if she can be pregnant, if a yeast infection or what. Me say her panty just don't look right.
But listen, Jasmine, if you want her to talk to you, you gotta like loosen up. You can't be so uptight and like jumping all down her throat.
Well, me try just like when you see me ask her she's having sex, and the pitney stood there and she lied to me. Like, why your panty looks like if somebody
But
not
think
touch
about
you down
wait,
there?
when you first started having sex, did you tell the truth?
Yeah, but me not so fast like her.
It doesn't matter.
I don't know what else, what other measures or what else to do. Me don't know what to do. Like, me say, all of this man make her grow up again, you see?
So listen, how about I'll talk to her? What if I talk to her and see if she'll tell me something? Maybe she doesn't feel comfortable talking to you.
I don't
You
even,
ever thought about that?
I don't even know if she's gonna talk to you. Like the way she come with that attitude.
Because of course she sees we both ganging up on her. She's in defense mode. You
Well-
start honestly, if you really want her to talk to you, you're gonna have to like chill out, loosen up.
Well, if you can talk to her and see if they will go somewhere, then yes, you can try. But me not even know if it tell Dave. Like Dave said he was gonna even.
Jasmine, what does Dave do? Dave barely pay bills in here. Like let's not think it has nothing to do about it. You're the parent. This is your daughter. This is the moment you're supposed to share with her. I don't want to hear nothing else about Dave.
Well, I'm still my husband, and I still have to share a lot of things with him. I have to let him know what's going on. You know, I have to. I don't know. I don't even know what to do. I don't know if I should just send her to a group home.
Jasmine. Listen, that's your daughter. You figure out what's going on with your daughter.
Boy.
Tiffany, right?
Yes.
Yeah, can I have a word with you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, alright.
I'm good. How are you?
How are you guys doing in school?
Oh, we're doing so good. This semester is so easy.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Not getting in trouble, right?
No.
No. No boyfriends or anything like
Oh
that?
no, Mr. Dave. Of course not.
You sure you're not lying to me?
I'm positive.
Okay. Just call me Dave. Don't deal with the mister.
You sure?
Just Dave.
My mom always said be respectful.
That is respectful. I mean,
Okay.
I tell you to call me Dave.
Okay, I'll call you Dave.
Yeah, you know. So, you know, what kind of activities are going on with at school?
I just signed up for basketball.
Yeah?
We just got done with cheerleading. I did so good in it.
Workout, you know?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a scholarship for it.
But is it
What are you guys doing?
just a talk, you know?
Just talking.
Well, I thought you just came out here to get water. Dad, we have to go study now. Come on.
Alright, baby girl.
You got your water. Let's go. I don't really understand why you were talking to my dad like all like that.
Your dad is the one that asked me a question.
Okay.
So I answered him.
Okay, but you didn't have to be so friendly.
I wasn't so friendly. Mr. Dave was the one that started talking to me.
His name is Mr. Campbell to
Oh,
you?
I'm sorry, Campbell started talking to me, so I was talking to him. It's his house.
Okay, yeah, but about what? It doesn't even make sense. I just feel like you're trying to flirt with my dad.
No, he was just asking me how I was doing. What's wrong with that?
I just feel like you were being a little too extra. My mom wouldn't have liked it if she saw it. I don't like it, and I saw it. I don't.
Well,
I'm just
talk to
gonna
your
go.
dad. Talk
No,
to him.
I'm just gonna go to
Talk
bed.
to him. I'll go to bed too.
Whatever. Are you gonna turn off the light?
Are you closer?
You're so annoying. Hey, is everything okay?
Yeah, I just have to pee.
Girl, I got the bubbles. My stomach hurts so bad. It's gonna be a while.
Okay, just let me know when you're done, okay?
Okay, no problem. Okay. I'm gonna have to go. You okay? Okay. So tell me what you think about this dress.
It's cute.
Okay, what about this one?
It's straight.
Just straight? Look at it.
I guess you'll feel like the junk when you walk through because it's glittery.
Right. I think I will too. Oh my god, look at it. Wait, it's loading.
Alright, what? Yeah.
I don't even sound excited about it.
My mom is calling me. I'll be right back.
Hey.
Ma. Yeah, it's me. Can you come pick me up, please? Okay, bye.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
I was thinking we could just go to the beach, you know, get whatever's off your mind.
But I can't. My mom was bugging, so I have to get my stuff ready and she's gonna come pick me up.
You can't tell her you don't want to leave?
You know it's my mom. I really have to be careful.